Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Redmi Watch 3. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials are made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect these with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The Redmi Watch 3 weighs 37 g without its bundled strap included. Despite its size, the Redmi Watch 3 has a 1.75-inch AMOLED display that resolves at 390 by 450 pixels with 600 nits peak brightness. Additionally, the smartwatch has a 289 mAh battery that should last up to 12 days between charges. Moreover, the smartwatch is 5 ATM water resistant, supports Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity and contains a GPS module. Furthermore, the Redmi Watch 3 supports heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, which work in tandem with over 120 workout modes. Redmi Watch 3 comes in a standard inconspicuous box, which shows the model itself and its name. Inside we will find a user manual, a charger and the watch itself wrapped and overprotected with plastic. To be able to use the Watch 3 we have to connect it first, which we will show on the next video how to connect it with Android and iOS. The AMOLED display has amazing colors. At the top we will find notification, down we have shortcuts like Do Not Disturb, Silent, Hand Raise, Torch, Vibration, Settings, Time and Date and also percentage of battery at the top. On the right side we have some widgets starting with Weather, Daily Activity, Health Apps, Timer, Alipay and Voice Assistant. Press the button on the right side and it will open the menu where we can see all the apps. Here we will find Heart Rate, Workout where we will see Outdoor Running, Walking, Freestyle, Hiking, Outdoor Cycling, Treadmill, Jump Rope, Pool Swimming and more where we have more sports to explore. Next on the menu is Workout Report, Burned Calories, Steps, Blood Oxygen, Sleep, Stress, Breathing, Me App, Weather, Cards, Events, Favorite Contacts, Calls, Music, Camera Control, Alarm, Stopwatch, Timer, Torch, Weixin Pay and Settings. On Settings we have a watch face where we can change in a matter of seconds our watch face and it gives a completely new look. Next in Settings we have Sound and Vibration and Display where on both of them we can change things for our needs. We usually turn on Always On Display and you can schedule where to turn on and off. Next is Do Not Disturb that we saw in the beginning. Auto Detect, Layout, Pin, System, About Watch and Help are the last options in the settings. This is all that we will find on the Redmi Watch 3. Now we will test some of the options that we saw. Starting with heart rate where we can see a chart on the screen and down below we have current heart rate. This is a very good thing to include on a smart watch and we are seeing it more often on newer smart watches. Next is blood oxygen which we noticed that is very sensitive. It failed just because we didn't keep our hand straight on the table. I don't know if that is a good thing to measure more currently or frustrating to have your hand always laying down just to make a measurement. After some tries we did eventually end up with a result. Another problem that we have is stress. We couldn't take any result from it. We tried every hand position, tightening the watch, changing their position but it kept failing. We will be waiting for a firmware update and see if that will fix anything. And the last health option is breathing which we put for 1 minute and this breathing method will help you to calm down, lowers your stress and blood pressure. These are all the options on the Redmi Watch 3. We saw some very good things that Xiaomi included on this watch but we saw its flaws too. Either way, for the price around $70 is a very good watch. Some of its options surprised me. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.